wa wina amandifunsa kuti bwanji munachosa ndevu wona tinameta. There's always a reason for something, eh? Anyway, I am not here. I'm not wondering. When I was young, I used to be an activist. Now, you leave it to other people to do it. I'm a businessman. That's why I want to comment on the matter. Because it's affecting us and our business, this issue. What I want to say, ngati iwe uli wa DPP, ngati uli wa MCP, wa DPP, UTM, non-partisan, aliyense, Malawi, nkhani ikufunika ikukhudze. Ndikufuna ndiyankhule as a businessman, not a politically affiliated individual, but as a businessman. Akuluakulu, tiyeni tiphunzire kutukula dziko lathu. Tiyeni tidzilikonda dziko. Tisamapite ku Zimbabwe kuti tidzikamva kuti a president athu ali gravely ill. Sibwino kumabisa matenda a president. Timakhala tikunena now and again. Tatiyeni tiphunzire kumakhala in a democracy. Vuto la Malawi ndila kuti ndipovuta kuti anthu andale apange zinthu zotukula dziko, because gulu limene limapita mundale ndi gulu la anthu akuba ambiri osaphunzira o amene ali ndi ma college degrees abodza o amene anapanga graduate muti ma street colleges titoti sitina apange chisel in their brain to be enlightened people. Ndeka gulu kamene kachaka katenga boma kama funa kavute ndichifakana panga capture Peter Mutharika to the point yokuti munthu sali bwino mukubisa matenda ake. Ndefunso langa ndirakuti mubisa mpaka naliti. You can hide it today, tomorrow, the next day, a week, a month. Up to when? Up to when are you going to continue to hide that Peter Mutharika is not well? Matenda sunga bisi. I always give an example of me because I take responsibility of the words that I speak. Ineso nadwalapo. Nakala kuzipatala, I went to here, there. You cannot hide matenda. Allow people to pray for you. And because madaliso, my blessings, my prayers aren't. Amata kukuchiza iwe umuntu, iwe ndukuchira. Anthu akamakupempherera umachira, koma ngati wasipangidwa surround ndi gulu la anthu okuti akubisa matenda ako. Sakukufunira zabwino. Now, I want to address this to my president, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. Bwana, musamvere gulu limene lakupanga ni surround. Tapanga ni resign. Mukaziyang'anire muchira. You feel better. You be brand new. You are only 84. You will be better. Outlive a lot of people that wish you death. But all you need to do is to have peace of mind. Peace of mind. That's all. All you need is peace of mind. Avoid. Politics can destroy you. The reason why these people are hiding matenda anubwana is because sama kukondan. I'm talking to the wife of the president, Gertrude Mutharika. You as a wife, you are watching your husband deteriorate. You are creating a governing council. You Gertrude, Rosa. Now, Malawians, this woman called Rosa Fachi or Rosa Mbilizi, I have a problem with this woman. Okay. This woman has amassed so much wealth. Now she thinks she can be president. Now she thinks she can run the Democratic Progressive Party, DPP. She wants to be the leader. Fine. We all want to see ambitious women. But you cannot be ambitious at the back of a sick president. Never. You can never be ambitious at the back of a sick president. Let Peter Mutharika go to the doctors akachire tukufuna president watu akhale moyo. Tukufuna president watu akhale ndi moyo wa utali. Leave that man alone. Let him go to the doctors akakachira kumene kuja abweraso ndikuyamba kuyendesa dziko. He's still constitutionally elected musaiwale. Now, in the meantime, allow Dr. Jane Ansah to take over. Let us have another woman run the government. Let us see the difference. We tried Joyce Banda, and I made $50 million US, cash get. What about trying this one now? She's fit, she's strong, she's prayerful, she's passionate about the poor, about Malawi. The reason why Rosa Mbirizi or Rosa Fachi and the governing council don't want her to even go and visit her boss, Peter Mutharika. They don't even allow her anywhere closer to State House, Sanjika, Page House, wherever the president is being hidden. Where they are hiding the president, we don't know. Ena kuna the president watuluka apita naye kuchipatala, ena kuti apita naye ku Aga Khan ku Kenya, ena kuti yayi apita naye ku South Africa, ena kuti yaya president ali kusanjika, ena kuti yayi even the president watuyo pa Facebook pake akukali panga post nkhani ya bodza kuti lero nakumana ndi Jomo zabodza zokhazoka Jomo anakumana naye liti kale akukatenga zimene zija ndukazika pa page ya president because anthuwa apenga misala. Anthuwa sakufuna kuti president apange resign chifukwa yoti is critically ill and Jane Ansah must come and take over. You are forgetting kuti constitutionally Jane Ansah is going to be president anyway. In the event where God decides to take our president, who is going to be president? Jane Ansah. But right now, the president is not dead. He's just not feeling well. Matenda yake mukubisa. Now you are allowing speculation. When people speculate, it's not prayer. Mutabwela in the open and say, a president is sorry, the vice president is taking over. A Malawi ampempelera president. It's a beautiful thing for people to pray for you. Chimene mukupangisa ndikuchule no maina. Gertrude Mutharika, Rosa Mbirizi, Mwana Mveka, George Chaponda, Chisale. You people are vile. Ndino anthu oyipa kwambiri. Ndino anthu oyipa. Ayebus. Mumazwa Ayebus. Those were the Jebusites. You are the Jebusites. And you need to read the Bible. What you're doing to Peter Mutharika is wrong. Sachira mutuja, mukamapisa matenda yake, mukungo sinta manamba zi, mukungo paredi kuntengera uku kumpititsa uku kumunami. What are you doing? Malawi has a constitution. And the constitution is clear. President Akadwala, if he's unable or incapable of discharging his duties as a president of a country, the vice president has to take over. See, Antominana frame constitution to Sana and Popusa. They were brilliant minds. They knew that at some point the president had to go out. But you are busy. Kubisa matenda. Business is sequenda. The country is at standstill. Fuel crisis, President Mafunika Benalpange assure Malawi. There is a fuel crisis, and fuel crisis deepens. It means the average life cost of living is going to get high. People akuvutika. Come on.